Well. How do we start this shit?
So, been a year and a half. How you doing? It's been forever.
Let's just say that this meeting is for professional purposes.
Not to be taken lightly. Anyway.
We're new girls.
Yeah.
You know, like new lives, new dreams.
A lot.
Yeah. Just turned freshly 24.
He's lying. We are 27.
Bitch.
I mean, no.
How do you feel about your age in general, though? You know, because like saying 27, don't you think that
Yeah.
Yeah, because like in the past, I mean, me overcoming the constructs around age, that's like a new experience.
Yeah.
She's high. We lost her.
You know, it is what it is. Age is a number. I think though, as I'm evolving into my body, we are back. We're not.
Obviously, today's video is inspired by Blair Witch Project. Yeah, what is this?
This is a mixture of Ewok and Stardog.
Oh my god. Goodbye, everyone.
Bitch, I like this.
Yeah, this is a really good playlist. It's called True Sensations on Spotify. Just went back to premium because I was not on premium, and fuck that shit. Seriously, Spotify, dude, they know how to make you go on premium. But like literally, you can't listen to shit, dude.
I know you can't. It has to be shuffled.
And literally, and like they'll choose randomly which ones not to go on shuffle, and you're like, oh cool, what a treat.
Yeah.
What a treat. I got to go on, what is it, like back to basics. I don't have to shuffle. So today I was literally like, just got paid.
Nice.
Upgrading that account.
What were we talking about? Oh, age. I feel like I'm definitely, my body's more aware that, you know, my human body is aging.
Right. Yeah,
I feel like it's setting me up for like, go for life, bitch, a little bit.
Life experience. That's where you're like, okay, I feel a little old. I feel like I've been here for quite some time.
Yeah.
I mean, honestly, we're fucking 27.
My knees creak. You know what I mean?
Like, does it hurt when I bend down?
Right.
Every damn day. No, 27 years young.
Oh my god.
We're just battling our issues.
We're being victims right now, like honestly. Because honestly, bitch, at 47, I'm gonna be like, I would kill for them hips
no, I know,
right now.
seriously.
Like, are you kidding
like,
me?
it would be so nice to bend down. You'd be like, this is really hard to watch.
Like, the camera quality, it's a little low.
Let me
Dion hooked it up today with some snacks, and I'm about to...
I got the Asian goodies, bitches.
I'm about to ruin yo TV. Oh,
look at this. Mogu. How cute. Honestly, I've never tried this shit. I think it's Korean.
Yeah. We don't do as
Thailand.
crazy of eating as we used to. I mean, well, we eat better, we should say. Yeah. But it's been a minute since Dion
honestly,
and
I don't even know your diet, dude. Like, really, because we haven't
really
eaten.
annoying and hard. I think this is a big part. We relate a lot, and we get into some trouble, but we love sweets.
Oh, bitch, please.
Like,
we have an addiction to sugar.
Yeah.
Straight up. It is our modern day drug.
God, you guys. As we're like, with that.
You know what I was thinking about recently? Is like how relationships are built around food. Like, don't you think a lot of communities of color, like, everything is around food? You're into it.
Oh my god.
The jelly, though. I almost
could, like,
choked on it.
Murder this right now. I could just like, that is incredible.
Food. I was like, what's incredible?
Food and how they build relationships.
No, I'm stoned, dude.
This is very strong.
How are my eye drops?
I think there's been a lot of misconception about you and I. Well, no, wait, let's go back to food.
That's right! Okay. I'm like getting the shakes, I'm so stoned. You know when you sort of like...
Oh, damn. Like,
I'm just gonna be like... We're literally gonna be talking to each other.
You're like talking, you're like knocked out. Food. But yeah, it does bring people together. I feel like you bond over that shit. Like, food is a universal language, much like music. For sure. If music be the food of love, play on. You know what I mean? Thank you, Shakespeare.
No, yes, what I was saying was... I'm like... We're friends again.
I know.
Like, we have no resentment.
Yeah, we'll catch you up there too.
I know there's a lot of media, and like there's been media just following relentlessly the past year and a half, right?
Yeah.
And like just constantly, like, what is Stephanie and Dion doing?
Wait, are we still
like,
talking about food? We just go in.
Sorry,
okay, let's just go on. Let's just go
like
forward.
Honestly, who cares?
Like,
this time. Love food. We're here for it, and we all like eat around it.
And you'll see us eat.
But
some.
like, what was I saying?
Okay.
We did it.
I've like split. Like, actually, sold the full half joint. Really,
it's like
a lot of
the
weed.
fucking fire starts. Like she's out.
Compostable joints important if you're gonna partake.
Oh, that's compostable.
Thank you for just throwing it out, not knowing. So we can consider it. You know what I mean?
Wait.
Sometimes you gotta prepare yourself for those friends.
No, wait. Oh, my bad. Over here just reading a bitch for fucking compost.
Bitch, let me tell you something. Dion was like,
went to Starbucks for damn too long.
What'd you say to me the other day? We were like, are you gonna be like, are you still a bitch?
No, I was like, are you gonna bring the shade though?
I was like, I will read you. What was it? I'm gonna read you to Phil.
Yeah, and I was like, let's see, let's feel this out, let's see what happens. And I'll be real honest, like I'm hurting. You know what I mean?
So yeah, back to where everybody, you know, I know there's been a lot of talk about high intensity.
Oh, bitch, that's where we were going. You want to know?
This is a place to just be ourselves.
Because right.
But I will read you to
to the ground. I will read you to the bottom of the earth. Into the car, bitch.
God bless her. You know, like at the same time. Tell the
honestly,
tea, homie.
Okay, yeah, let's tell the tea. I hate her. I fucking hate her. No, I'm just joking.
We just had to grow as individuals, had to grow as friends. You gotta do that shit. Like, listen, society, social media, all you peeps. It is okay to hash it out, because if you really care about people, you'll understand. Your paths will cross in a beautiful way. But you gotta do you, girl. You gotta focus on your self-love, because then you get to love the people you love for the fact of loving them, right? Instead of so much like, yeah. And it forces both to take action on our own personal endeavors. Boyhood, this shirt I'm wearing.
Plug,
dude. Yeah, I didn't realize we can totally do that. If you are wondering what I am wearing, it's super comfy and cute and beautiful.
Who is it?
I've gotten this for some time.
Who are you wearing?
I'm glad you asked, Dion. This is a wonderful brand.
Shut your mouth.
Called Boyhood. Oh shit, I just spit. Boyhood Society. Boyhood.
Shut your whore mouth.
If you have not heard of Boyhood, check them out. Boyhoodsociety.com. You can get a shirt just like this, bitch. The shit says cream.
There's only like one left, dude. Like, honestly, we're just like making them something that's like not promotional. Like something that's just like, what is it? Just like momentary.
Yeah, where you're like...
Yeah, it was like a really dope moment. Every time we think about the shirts, we think about all the work that we put into it. But like now we're just like, yeah, like when they sell out, they just sell out. Like we're not gonna be making no more of that shit. Like it's just our beginnings.
It makes it feel really special. Well, you should get the last one. Homies out there.
For sure. We only have one cream in left.
Quality bitch on point. It's like Dion's living his dream and doing his shit and grinding, homie. We had to, like I said, we had to like get on our paths without, that's what I'm talking about. Had to like go outside.
Pushy.
Oh my god, yeah.
Literally, look at them. That's so cute.
We are with the mukbang.
Oh my god. First of all, it looks like a bear claw.
On this thing, it'd be like...
I mean, let's be grateful that we don't. Honestly, yeah, because this sounds gross. It sounds gross.
We're doing our shit, our dreams. We're making our dreams happen for ourselves, because that is like what you do when you love yourself and you know that.
Well, when you just want to be something.
Yeah. And that life is like yours to live, and how you choose to like approach everything is it. So anyways, justlovejustlight.com. Check it out. Well, like, I don't know if there's a genre to my blog. I don't really put that kind of thing on it, but check it out. Honestly, we're over there. We're just talking about self-love, dude, and life, and like what you go through. Things to just like help your body feel well. Things to help your mind be in a good place.
How many posts?
It's a community.
Sorry, not that it matters.
20-something. I have a lot, bitch. Yeah.
That's nice.
And with that.
Well, at least you know that when you have... Oh, sorry.
That's what it is. For now, right? And we just go from there.
I mean, it only gets better.
Mm-hmm. Want something crunchy now.
For a moment, yeah.
It's like Mary Poppins, bitch.
I fucking got you. Wait. This is like a little bit of salty and savory. Wait, sweet and savory. Osembe?
Oh my god.
But if you want something like crunchy and chocolatey. Oh, bitch. It's fucking mushrooms.
Should I like...
Don't play, bitch.
Should I want in each hand?
Meiji, sponsor us. Oh, that'd be so dope. Meiji.
Like, I know we all used to, like, Dion and I used to drink Starbucks all the time. I have something to say about that.
You don't support... No, I'm just saying. I held that Starbucks yesterday.
I ended up working there. So, let's not talk about that place anymore. I'm just kidding.
Look, it looks so fucking cute.
Like, swatch it. Will it work? Does it focus like that on a phone?
Hey, it's so cute. All fucking chocolate. You've had these before, right? Bomb. Right?
Like, are you kidding me, homie? I'll eat this whole thing.
Mm-hmm. Well, you know what's really good is Costco has the bin noodles, or the bin crackers. And that's good because it's so small and it's so bomb. I remember Olivia and I used to get
Yeah, I totally remember that. Oh my god, that's right. I've been stoned and ate the little ones.
Oh, they're so fun.
Sorry, Olivia, I partied the whole bag.
Yeah, bitch, I was like, oh, it's there, and then it's gone.
I'm so glad there's 2 in 1 pouch. Also,
like, what
like
a
a happy,
blessing.
yeah. You're like, you have the first one, and then you're like, oh my god, what a treat that I get to have another.
Good idea.
Who did? Where?
Is that me? Was the music even playing? Fucking bill collectors. Let's talk about that shit. Nobody talks about bill collectors. It's that friend, the one that calls fucking every day and has something to say. You know what I mean? Honestly, they're like, look, we got something. Money, let's talk money. Like, how much you owe us money.
Do they ever just like, bitch, like, why can't we just get the kit? Like, I don't got it right now. You know what I mean? Like, you call me every day to collect some shit. Like, I can't.
It's like, you have gotten voicemail so many times, bitch. Oh my god, wait, do the chocolate?
I need it more. Don't even. Are you kidding me right now? I'm gonna die.
Oh.
Bitch, that would be so good if we had the mics. He would be into that.
Well, that's the thing. People hearing the sound of people eating. What the fuck is happening?
I watch them sometimes. Because, like, I don't eat meat. And, like, I don't... There's a lot of things I can't eat anymore. You know what I mean? And I'm like... So I watch others. Is that so weird? How many do that? Bitch, these things have millions of views on it. I'm not the only one. There's some good macaroni and cheese ones and, like, chicken nuggets, right? And you're just like, that looks so good. I like the crunchy ones. Like, I love that. Or when, you know, like, they deep fried shit and you're like, oh, like, bite into it, girl. Oh. Honestly, I'm not. If you guys are starting distracted.
Take a moment and really, like, be present with this food because, like, it's important.
Oh my god, that probably looks so disgusting.
She like chucked it out of her mouth.
I feel like honestly, I'm curious to see the way I was eating before that show. I was like, that's why it like came out, bitch. Oh my god, ew.
I'm choking. Ew, I just sprayed it. No, there's another.
I just want to go in, dude. Yeah, why am I like so addicted?
My eyes look like the fucking devil right now, dude.
There's 3 of them.
They're fucking possessed.
Here we go with the Pocky. My personal favorite, thanks to Dion. I always loved Mexican candy growing up. You know what I mean? Like, that was my shit. Like, as a kid, and I felt like not everyone got that. But that shit's bomb. And so I think when you introduced me to your, like, culture, like, I just, like, accepted it so gracefully.
No, for sure. I'll tell you from my experience, a lot of, like, Mexicans that I knew loved Asian food.
And you love Mexican food.
Yeah, I mean, it fucks me up.
You love cheese. Oh my god, I wish I could have like a big bowl of cheese.
There's like a melted bowl of cheese.
I don't know, like why not? Oh my god, bitch. Okay, let's do some shit.
The nachos.
As we're eating.
On nachos. Little Woodies. You're eating that hella fast, man. You're like, yeah, trade.
These are the texture right here. This money. I love hollow shit.
Just so creamy. Oh my god, dude, I haven't had sugar this long.
I'm just like...
I'm fucking like, I'm just going in.
I'm like scared to watch this.
This is truly like its own addiction.
When it does that, I love that.
Really? When he does that, I love that. Like, what?
When you put your tongue in that thing.
What?
Because then when it empties out and you have that hollow part, you put it at the tip of your tongue and it makes it soggy, and then it kind of just soggies in your mouth.
Well, that's an experience of your experience. I'm like, what are you saying? I love it when it gets like that. Because then it's like I know that there's more to come. What a blessing. Truly. Doesn't that look beautiful? Look how much there is left.
And I run my tongue.
Honestly, this is really where I'm at. Like, this is where I come back. This is like such an experience.
It's been a minute, you guys.
The food industry. Let's talk about her. Because I have fallen into this world of food. Yeah, I'm genuinely like, wow, guys, I have a really good meal. Like, really enjoy that. Because, bitch, I can't. Honestly, on my really hungry days, when I get a little resentful, you know, I'm like, here's your meal. But
it's easy to do.
ours
That's
is super
hilarious,
fast.
because I can just see you getting peeved. Like, you know what I mean?
It's like, here's your beef fucking stew noodle. Like, here, take your fucking lettuce. I'm like shaking it off the table. I'm like, oh, sorry, did that spill? Oh, that sucks. No, absolutely not, honestly. I'm like, I genuinely hope that you have a bomb-ass time because I want to know what it's like. That's mostly how I feel at work. But I will say, entitlement, you know what I mean? But like, yeah, experiencing in the food industry, can't you agree?
Yeah.
It's like not cute.
It takes
you know
like
what I
really
mean?
like shouts to everybody that works in the service industry, because
people, man, about food, they can be ugly.
One of my coworkers, shouts to Will, was talking about hangry. I didn't really never thought about hangry. I thought people just said it.
No, it's me.
Yeah, it's like, that's where we are. Like, that's what we deal
with. Don't you experience that when you're hangry? That's when all the lashes come out.
That's what I thought. Bitch, it's because it's like, you want food, bitch.
Oh my god, how fucking cathartic is laughter though?
People.
This had nothing in it.
That's disappointing.
I think that's really disappointing.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna move on. I don't want to define the experience by that. Cream.
I can't have any more, dude. I'm gonna eat one more and I'm like, I'm tapping out. For now.
You're gonna be able to see that back when on. It's intense. I think at this point I'm just eating because like it's here. Just push them to the back. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's so nice.
One more. One more, homie.
Where
like
the
one
fuck
for
did
good
those come
measure. I
from?
don't know, they're up here. They're right chilling.
We'll take
Hiding.
2 for the road.
City of Seattle. Cops are here.
Well,
Here to detain us. Oh, parking enforcement. I think I can park here and then send anything. They are so close to us.
they are circling
It's
us,
like
and they are
making
like
us-
sharks.
Yeah.
They are literally like sharks.
Right.
Everyone is after us, honestly.
It's going me to like move back. It's just like, you know, I just didn't see the reason.
Have question. This is super right now. Do you still have Pokemon Go?
There's water ones. Oh my god. I don't. Actually, I do. I should log in. I don't have the app. I
Why?
All interviewing. Well, I don't know. I mean, I deleted it all. Like, cause, okay, let me just tell you something real true about The Sims. Have you played The Sims Free Play?
Or yeah, on that phone. I mean, I know you have like a problem with that.
You girl at heart. And I was just like, I can't do this anymore. So I just kind of like deleted them all. I went through this detox of it all. Technology in general. Bitch.
Pokemon Go though.
It's like taking a break, bitch.
Yeah, I guess, whatever.
Why would you want to sever time?
Like, come on, play Pokemon Go. I have no friends on it, honestly, that's why. That's cat's out the bag. I literally posted on Pokemon Go, and like, you guys, you didn't say anything. Come on.
That's hilarious.
That's so mean, though. I was literally like, you guys, I feel like they saw my level, and they were just like, no, thank you.
Oh.
I was like, oh, so what, we're better now? I'm sorry I don't have an Articuno.
Silence.
Literally, yeah, I was like, nothing. And I was like, oh, that's cool. Like, a community that doesn't accept, like, people to be friends. Don't you think?
I mean, you know.
It was so hard for me not to take that personally. You know what I mean? I was like, come on, hello. I want friends. Like, doesn't everyone just want friends out here?
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
But yeah, so like, I have 3 friends. Kevin, my sister, and her husband. So my numbers are getting up, and I could use more friends.
Okay. But nowadays, it probably stops everywhere.
I mean, you can trade. I would say, don't allow it to be a
trade?
distraction. But yeah, like they really
Pokeballs?
stepped it up. No, you can trade Pokemon.
That's how they get you.
Yeah.
Because I did buy Pokeballs one time. I remember that. And I was like, what am I doing?
Well, you have to go to the Pokestops and then you get the Pokeballs. You literally bought Pokeballs?
Yeah, dude. Just like The Sims, girl. That's why I was like, I can't do technology right now. And I had to just like detox from all that. Literally in all ways. Okay, so like seriously, guys. Like, does anyone play The Sims? Like, that shit is magic.
No, I mean, like, I
love
get it. I always try to make them gay. I mean, I hear
so
now that they have gay
fun
ones,
making
right?
life. Yeah.
Yeah.
I bet you get to play God.
Decor.
Like, I'm all about that thing.
No, like, I just got too lost in the customizing part that when I played it, I was like, over it. That's always what happened.
That's so interesting.
Yeah, like, I always got super into the architecture and the design.
That's
and I would get lost in it. And then, like, when I'm playing it, I was like, oh, I don't want to do this.
We gotta play together.
You like playing?
Like, I'm like, I beat those challenges, girl. I'm like a millionaire. I'm like going to work, making sure I'm getting the promotions.
That sounds fun.
Like, I am such a hustler.
So we just need to
on the game and not in life. You know what I mean? Like, point proven. You know what I mean?
But like, I would be an architect.
Oh my god, because I hate building the houses.
Really?
I'm not good at it. I'm just like, throw some pink wallpaper.
I mean, honestly, I don't know if I'm good at it, but I like just get into it. It's so fun. Customizing shit is so fun.
Dion and I used to play a lot of games. We used to also have Nintendo DS's. And what else? With the Wii U. And they're all gone. They're all gone.
You sold your Nintendo DS?
Karma's a bitch. You know who you are. I don't gotta say much.
Yeah.
But it was for the best that I no longer have a DS. But I did have to sell the Wii. Girl, bitch had to pay rent. Same,
yeah, same PS4.
So, and DS. So we don't have all the equipment we use
to cope with.
Yeah,
which is
good. Huh? Like, I mean, it's great now. Like, I'm so happy. But yeah,
once we've accomplished one of our first goals, we can come together. We can. What is it? I'm
gonna edit and post this video by my trip.
Wait, no, that can't be an accomplishment. It has to be like a bigger one.
A lot to work through this whole conversation. I'm just kidding. No,
it's 43 minutes.
Wow, shouts to people that video edit on the daily. I don't know how you do it. I mean, I'm like selling some pods right now, girl. I gotta celebrate
so like,
that.
what's a goal?
Okay, ooh.
Yeah, because like if we reach the goal, then we can celebrate.
I'll set 10 jars of lotion. Okay. Get me there. Get that lotion.
Links down below.
Oh my god, that'd be a good one because that's gonna go to the van. So that in itself is also like a big.
I would say if we sold out, of the teas on our website.
Get it, please. We're begging you. We're just setting these intentions out to the universe so that you or somebody comes across both of our brands, and so we can play The Sims. Like, come on, someone please do this for us. Thank you so much.
It would be so nice. So, like, if I could just make a living off my art, you know, like, I would just be so grateful.
Yeah, that's what we're working towards.
But I mean, I have a lot of gratitude for the shit that I have right now.
Yeah, you know, I found...
You know who you are at Boyhood Society.
Right?
Like, if you're following and supporting, super dope.
Yes, yes. No. Do you want to fit in? Cool. Oh, I'm just spilled. It's no problem. No, the fishies. What a dream, right? I hope you got out today or wherever you are, you enjoyed your day. Thank you for hanging with us. We'll talk to you soon. Bye. Bye. It's because I'm way up here. I'm like, my face is like, hi. And you're just like chilling in the back, all petite.
Yeah, I know. Hello. I'm like, God, my cute little head next to your big head.